Hello wonderful people, and welcome to my quick guide to how to mod on Twitch. Drink and Run here, and I've modded on Twitch for over 5 years now. This will actually be my first YouTube video, going to be making a series to make your life as a mod easier. If this has helped you out and you'd like to see more, please press all the good buttons down below. And feel free to leave a comment letting me know which topic you'd like to see me cover in a later video. In this episode, I'm going to cover how to ban someone. Please note that I'll be showing this from my browser. I don't really use the mobile app, so apologies if that's what you're looking for. But if that's something you'd like to see later, let me know in the comments. So, let's say there's a troll in chat. Part of your job as a mod is to keep people like that out so chat can be a fun place for your streamer's community. Now obviously every community is different, so make sure you know what your streamer's fine with and what they want gone. But let's say there's a clear and obvious troll in chat, like this one. What do you do? Well, there are several ways you can go about banning someone. You can left click on their name. That'll bring up the account info screen, and then click the ban button just above where it shows how many messages they've posted. You can right click on their name, and then on the thing that pops up, move your mouse up to where it says ban, and left click there. You can use the mod icons. To get to those, you click on the gear down below the chat box, then click on Show Mod Icons. The one on the far left is the ban button. Now make sure you're careful using this method, because if the chat's moving fast and another message pops up, you could end up clicking on that on the wrong post and banning the wrong person. One way to avoid this is to scroll up a little bit until you get the chat pause due to scroll notification. This will make it so chat doesn't move anymore, and from there, you're free to ban them without having to worry about that. You can also change how you pause chat in the chat settings menu. Another way you can ban them is to type /ban in the chat box, and then put their username. Quick way to do this is to just tag them. Once you've started tagging them, Twitch will try to autofill. So you can just use your arrows to select the right name, or you can just keep typing until all of the other names disappear and you have the right one selected, and then just hit tab. You can also ban them from mod view. To get to the mod view, click on the sword button under the chat window. From there, click on the troll's name in chat, and that'll bring up the account info panel, and from there you just click the big ban button. And finally, from that same window, if you pop out their user info panel, you can ban them from there. Note that's the same window you'll get if you pop out their chat from the user info box when you're not in mod view. So there you have it, 7 different ways to ban someone from Twitch chat. Trolls beware, they won't last long in a chat that you mod. I hope this quick guide helped you out. There's a lot that goes into modding on Twitch. If you have something you'd like to see covered in a future quick guide to Twitch modding, please let me know down in the comments. Also, I don't just mod on Twitch, I've started streaming too. There's a link to my Twitch channel in the description. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. We have a fun community there, and I'd love for you to join us. I like interacting with my chat a lot, so you're welcome to ask me questions about modding there too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.